You're not going to believe this, but today, something absolutely insane just launched inside the AI world. A tool so unique and so unexpected that it might just redefine how we create visuals forever. I'm talking about Nano Banana Pro, a brand new experimental powerhouse inside Higgsfield.AI. Yes, the same Higgsfield that shocked the industry with full-body character replacement. But this time, they've taken creativity to an entirely different dimension. See, till now, most AI tools were focused on replacing characters, face swaps, or fixing movements. But Nano Banana Pro, it's not just a tool, it's a playground for imagination. A place where anything you imagine becomes real. Let me show you what I mean. With Nano Banana Pro, you can take something as simple as a vintage car and explode it into its parts, recreate it, redesign it, or turn it into something completely futuristic. All with a single prompt. Or imagine drawing a fun animated banana character. Just to doodle a simple idea, and then bringing it to life by animating it with Google VEO 3.1. Suddenly, your tiny banana sketch starts walking, talking, dancing, living. That's the real power here. Nano Banana Pro isn't just editing images. It's transforming imagination into reality. It lets you break the rules of creativity to create worlds, objects, and characters that have never existed before, and then animate them like they were part of a real film studio. And this is why Higgsfield is becoming dangerous, in the best possible way. Because now they're not only letting you replace full-body characters perfectly, but also giving you a creative engine where you can design anything from scratch. Something Runway ML, Pika, and most other tools still struggle with. This isn't just an update. This is the beginning of a new era of visual imagination. So trust me, once you try Nano Banana Pro yourself, you'll understand why this might be the next big shift in AI creativity. A shift that will change how artists, filmmakers, creators, developers, and even kids who love drawing create their ideas. So hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and let's dive into the unbelievable world of Nano Banana Pro inside Higgsfield.AI. Because what you're about to see might just change the future of creativity forever. Let's start. For that, go to the description and click on the link. It will redirect you here, and now move to the sign up buttons. Sign up with Google, Apple, or Microsoft, whichever you prefer. After signing up, it will redirect you to this page where you'll see that the button has now transformed into your profile, showing your credits and usage. Now move to this first card, but if you want, you can scroll down and check out other creators' work as well. Explore it, discover things, get inspired. But today, we're here to create something unique using Nano Banana Pro. So let's move here and click on this card. Now here you can see it's simple, just an input field with an add file option, the model selection, aspect ratio, and quality settings. So first, let's select the image I want to enhance. Then write the prompt. And after that, choose the aspect ratio. I'll go with 16:9. Once everything is set, move straight to the generate button. And yes, after every setting, you just need to hit generate. As you can see, it starts creating instantly. And trust me, it won't take more than a minute. I'm not making any cuts here, I want you to see how fast and accurate this really is. And guys, just look at this. The design looks absolutely crazy, perfectly detailed, beautifully enhanced. Now let's check out some more options here. You can not only generate images, but also edit, upscale, and even animate them. So let's try the animation part. Click on animate and it will redirect you here. Now all you have to do is choose your model to create the video. Let's try something interesting. I'm going to use Google VEO 3.1 for now, but you can choose whatever you like. Now go to the prompt, adjust it according to your needs. Set the quality, set the duration, pick an aspect ratio, and then click generate. This will take a little more time than image generation. And as you can see, the servers are on high load. So let me fast forward this part. And now look at this, guys. The video is generated. First, check this video by yourself.
Wow, you're amazing. Look at those colors. Never seen anything like you before. You're beautiful.
Guys, what do I even say? I genuinely have no words for this. This is insane. It didn't just animate the image. It even added the voice on its own. That was absolutely crazy. After this animation, let's move back to Nano Banana Pro and try something absolutely crazy. Let's disassemble a car and even a bike. So starting with the car. I have this image of an old vintage car, and now I'm going to tell it to convert this car into parts. Let's see if it can actually do this or not. And guys, look at this. It genuinely disassembled the entire car into smaller parts. Perfectly, accurately, beautifully detailed. This was insane. And not just this, I tried it with different, and the answer is the same every time. Perfect, accurate, stunning designs. But I still wanted to push the limit. So I decided to try it with a superbike. For that, I searched for a Ninja Kawasaki image, copied it, pasted it here. And again, told Nano Banana Pro to convert it into parts. Then hit the generate buttons. And once again, the result is unbelievable. It genuinely broke down the entire Ninja Kawasaki into parts, with even better quality and precise detailing. You can increase the quality further if you want. But remember, higher quality will consume more credits. But guys, if you are a graphics designer, a content creator, a 3D artist, or someone who just loves creating unique visuals, you're going to fall in love with this. Because this tool literally converts your imagination into reality. Now let's quickly check the pricing here. And look at this, guys. The Black Friday sale is here, and you're getting up to 65% off on the annual plans. So if you're thinking about trying this tool, this is literally the best time to jump in. And if you own a business or have a team, you can go with the team plan, where you're getting a massive 50% off because of the sale. And it doesn't stop there. You also get Kling, Seedance, Popcorn, and many other tools completely unlimited and free of cost inside the plan. That alone makes it worth it. For individuals, you can choose between the Pro or Ultimate plan. Here are the differences, so you can decide which one suits your needs the best. So guys, make sure to check this out. And if you face any issue regarding anything, just let me know in the comments. I'll try my best to reply as soon as possible. Make sure to visit at least once and explore it. I'm sure you're going to love it. So guys, see you in the next video. And we'll continue our portfolio website part.